In this video, you will learn how to turn on notification on Google Forms so that whenever somebody responds, you get notification in your email that somebody have response and you go and take it up from there. The first step is to launch your Google Chrome web browser or any browser of your choice. Visit forms.google.com and log in. You can see the web link here, forms.google.com. You can start creating a blank form or select anyone that is existing. So here I will select the existing one. What you need to do is to click on responses. On clicking on responses, click on the three dots here. Then select get email notifications for new responses. So once you do this, anytime somebody submits a form, you get notifications on that in your Gmail account. If this helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.